Alright, so this is my review for the wireless headphones. So first of all, most wireless headphones, like the high-end ones like Apple AirPods that can run like up to like $300, super expensive, and sometimes they stop working after a while. These ones right here, I actually have a set of AirPods and these ones are just as good. Literally, like, you can't tell the difference. One of the things I really like about this case is it uses a USB-C to charge it, whereas like the AirPods use the lightning bolt cable, which like is just for Apple products. So this actually makes it really convenient because you can use it like any USB-C cord that like you have lying around to charge these, which I really like. Another thing about the case is it has an LED set up on the front that tells you like this is like 53 charge, and it actually shows you in bars how much battery is in the right and the left one. So right now it says that it's being charged because the case has 53% charge on it, but if I charge it up to 100, then it would say 100. So I really like that feature. That's really cool. Another thing, so these are all black, which I really like. They're very stylish. They fit in your ear with a soft silicone earpiece, and they actually come with a bag of different ones with different sizes. There you go, you can see. So that's really nice. If you have like a bigger ear or a smaller ear, then you can get it to fit. When I use it, there's the regular ones that already come on them. I really like. It'll actually say connected when you put it in so that you know, and it actually syncs up. It's really easy to sync. You just open up the case to turn on the pairing mode, and you can sync it to your phone, your computer, your laptop, your iPad, really anything. And once it's connected, anytime you open up the case, it'll reconnect to that as long as your Bluetooth is on. So it'll reconnect to the last piece of technology that you had it connected to every time you open up the case. A couple other things, they're IPX5 waterproof rated, so that means you can like wear them out in the rain and you can like splash water on them and there won't be any damage. I really like that about them. It's Bluetooth 5.0, so very good connection. And there's like 40 plus hours of sustained battery life, so you could literally like put these in your ears and they would go for 40 hours, and I think that's pretty good. That's a really good battery life. Really durable case. It's black. I really like the LED screen, and yeah, for the price I would definitely recommend these.
Hello, my name is Dennis, and today I'm going to be reviewing my new wireless earbuds that I recently purchased on Amazon. And as you can tell, they're a pretty slick, cool color. It's gray and black. So they look beautiful and they look really cool to begin with. And they fit perfect in the ears. So it's also really cool is if they don't fit in your ears, they also come with extra of the ear pieces, so you can replace those, which are pretty easy. You just pull it off and replace it with the other one. So with these earbuds, to turn them on, all you have to do is just press and hold the sensor, and then if you put them both in the charging box like this, they both go in there, and this is what charges them. And it also has an LCD screen which tells you what percentage the earbuds are on. So you can close it, it tells you the left and the right one. And then whenever you connect to your phone, it'll automatically connect to the earbuds. So all you have to do is go into your phone and go under Bluetooth. And sorry, I have a lot of devices connected. But as soon as you pull them out, they will start to pair, and you could just click on that. They will pair quick. As you can tell, they're already connected. So I will just put in one for right now. So as you can see, the sound quality is really good. I don't know if you can hear it, but they do play really loud. These earbuds are waterproof, which is really cool because I use them for running and stuff where I'm sweating a lot when I'm working out. So that works really well. And they stick in my ears perfectly. I can shake them as hard as I want. They don't come out. The sound quality is amazing. Everything about them is just really good. They also have the assisted touch button to where you can just play and pause the music or keep it going. As you can tell, I could just press it on the side and it'll pause it. Then I could like double click to answer calls, double click to skip, you know, all those other cool functions too. So overall, I'm really satisfied with these earbuds and I think you should get yourself some. Thank you.